String methods.
We discussed about the string methods, right? Okay, so far, how many methods completed? Let me open the workspace folder. So let's go to Python environment and IR of what? STR. The IR of STR. So yesterday we completed up to make trans, right? Yesterday we completed up to make trans. Make trans is not like a kind of method performing operation directly on the string. It returns me, okay, a mappings dictionary. Okay, that one you can use with the translate method or not. That one we can use with the translate method or not. Okay, so one line answers capitalized. It's like okay, first letter. Okay, first character is like a capital letter. Case fold. Case fold. Case fold is what?
Convert it into
Convert the
lowercase.
characters in the lowercase or not. Convert the entire string into lowercase. Center. Make your string in the center. Just it's going to adjust based on your okay input to length. Count the given character, okay, or given string, how many times repeated, that count it is going to return. Encode format of the string it is going to return. Ends with or not, ends with a particular character or group of characters or not. Expand tabs, the tab by default, the value is like the tab value is like 4 spaces. If you want to okay extend more, then the time just you can use expand tabs. Find a character or group of characters, it is always returns me the index. If it is not there, it returns me -1. Yes or no? Format the string, okay, dynamic and static values while concatenating, then you can go with the format map. Okay, instead of giving like okay first value, second value, third value, just you can give like a dictionary. Okay, it's take like only one parameter, that is the dictionary, that keys mapping with the values. Index is similar to find only, but the index is going to return the element is there, but that means the character or group of characters are there. It returns me that particular index. If it is not there, it returns me or throws an exception. Okay, is alphanumeric, okay, or not, you have to check. Is alphabets or not, you can check. Is ASCII values, okay, the characters which is having ASCII, then the time it's like true. Some other different language if you use okay Hindi or something, then the time it returns me false. Okay, is a decimal. Okay, yesterday we discussed it, right? Is decimal. Okay, each and every character it is going to check like a, it's like a decimal number or not. Decimal is nothing but okay 1 to okay 0 to 9. These are the decimal values in any okay language. You can, for example, if you take like Arabic numbers, okay, 0 to 9, each and every character it's going to check is like decimal or not. Then you can go. Float is something different. Okay, don't consider like this is like a float. Is digit. Okay, each and every element is like a number or not. Is identifier. Okay, identifiers, you know, identifiers is nothing but name in the okay Python program, you can say. Okay, for example, first space name, it's not a valid identifier. Starts with the numbers, it's not a valid identifier. Is identifier, if it is like a valid, true, otherwise false. Is lower, all are like lowercase letters or not. Is numeric, okay, all are like alphanumeric alphabets, not only numeric values or not. Is printable, okay, the values, all the content is like printable or not. Sometimes slash n is there, slash t is there, those are like okay not print in your okay printable okay, whatever the content you print, the slash n is not visible for us, that is not a printable content. Is space, okay, that means only the space is there in the string, only space, and the time okay that is like true, otherwise it returns me false. Is title, each and every word in the syntax it starts with capital letter, that is like a true. Is upper, okay, it's like uppercase or not, okay, total. Okay, join. Okay, it is like I have, I have a iterable object. Iterable object is nothing but a group of, okay, what I can say, a group of players are there. I want to join those players with the underscore. Then the time, okay, underscore join that iterable object you have to place it. Iterable object you have to place it. Okay, simply you can write underscore dot join. Okay, the iterable object is like Sachin and Dhoni, something like this. If I write now Sachin and Dhoni, it's like join with what underscore symbol or not. That is the join. Understood? Up to you, okay? The next one, okay, left justified content and right justified content is there. Okay, here, okay, it is going to leave some space in the left, right. Okay, after that it is going to add your text. It is going to add your text. Okay, then you can go with the left justified and right disjustified. Okay, R just, L just is there. Anyway, R just we are going to discuss later. Okay, lower, convert everything in the lower case. L strip is there. Okay, remove the spaces in the left side. Strip is there. Okay, remove the spaces in the right and left. R strip is there. Remove the space in the right side. Okay, this is about the strip. What about make transition? Make trans. Make trans is the method which is inside a string class. So string dot make trans. Okay, it is gives me a mapping object. So if you write like this, make trans trans. Just I'm going to add like yeah with z something like this. Now see, it is looks like this the mapping object something like this. Now, if I write something, my Sachin dot translate, okay, translate with whatever this value, okay, this particular mag, okay, trans value, you can add it here. Then the time wherever my A is there, that is replaced with the Z. That is replaced with the Z. So here, two methods we are going to use. One is like make trans, and another one is like translate. Okay, so far we covered these methods, right? Yes or no? So, anyone have any questions so far? So, what next? What is the next one? Make transverities is numeric, is space. These are done, right? Join up to here, right? Okay, the next one is like partition. The next one is like partition. Okay, now just take something like this is Sachin. This is Sachin. Okay, partitions is nothing but divide it. Divide it. Okay, the partition method. Okay, divide your entire string is like three parts. Okay, how you know? Name dot. The method name is what? Partition. Okay, if I write something like this, now see, wherever is there, wherever is there, okay, it is treated like before is, okay, before is, okay, is and after is. Before is what you have th. Now is one, okay, is. Next one is what is such. That means any string you can take it, it is going to partitions like three partitions it is going to make. And three partitions in which format it is going to return, in which format it is going to return, in the tuple format or not. Okay, just I want to make like maximum three partitions, maximum minimum. Okay, partitions only if you want to make it. Three partitions only if you want to make it. Okay, then that time, okay, you can go with this. Three partitions only if you make it, then that time, okay, you can. So how we can, okay, this th, okay. After that, is there, right? Is. Okay, is such. So for example, if I write like name partitions like SA, if I write like this, then that what happened? SA is here. Before SA, one partition, SA, that is one partition, HIN is like one partition or not. Like this, just it is like divided like three values and written those values as like a tuple, as like a tuple. Understood, everyone? Got my point? So the next one is like what? The next one is like what? Remove prefix. The next one is like remove prefix. Okay, remove prefix. Can I check it? Remove prefix. Just take it. So the same name only. Name dot. Okay, what happened? We'll see. Remove prefix I called. Take exactly one argument but zero this. Okay, if I write like this, okay, now what happened? It is like removed or not. Okay, now if I write like this, is then what happened? Okay, if I write like this, e, okay, if I write like Sachin, what you can understand by seeing this one, if you want to remove some set of characters which is like starts with some characters, right, the word, the string, okay, starting values if you want to remove, then the time you can go with the remove prefix or not, then the time you can go with the remove prefix or not. Okay, for example, if you don't have that particular value z, then the time nothing is there to remove, so it gives me what? Z or not. It is going to check z is there or not. Prefix starts with, you can say. If it is starts with z, then the time just it's going to remove it. Otherwise, it's not remove. Okay, the next one is what? Remove prefix is there. The next one is like remove suffix. Remove suffix. So name dot remove suffix z. Now this is Sachin. Now if I write like, okay, Sachin, now, okay, Sachin, that is not there. Yes, a HIN actually. Okay, now it's like removed or not. Starting value if you want to remove prefix. Ending value of the string if you want to remove, then the time you can go with the remove suffix. If that particular value is not matching, it's not there, starting or ending, then the time it's the entire string it's going to return. The entire string it's going to return. The next one is what? Replace. Okay, the next one is like replace. Okay, name dot replace. Okay, if I write like this, what is my replace type? What is my replace type? It's a method, built-in method. So can we call this replace at least two arguments? Okay, you have to pass it. So the first argument is two, second argument is this one. Replace argument one must be a string, not int. Okay, which one is like string? How we can come to know? Just you can put something like this. Okay, one argument must be a string. That means the first one is always what?
String.
Okay, the first one is like always string or not. So the first one is like always string. Okay, what about the second one? What about the second one? Come on, what about the second one? Hmm? What about the second one? Come on, by seeing this one, you only tell. What happened? SACHIN not there, na? SAHIN. If I write like this, then the type it's like removed and replaced with what? Dhoni or not? It's like removed and replaced with what? Dhoni or not? Yes or no? You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Now, but by seeing this one, okay, what you can understand about the replace arguments?
It takes two arguments at least.
At least two means, okay, it's not exactly two, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that how many it's going to take? In that case, how we can find it exact values? Place. Just you can put like, okay, two, okay, two, okay, some random things you can put it like this. Okay, now if we click on this one, okay, by seeing this more you can understand.
Three
Replace
also.
maximum take how many arguments? At most
Three.
two, okay, three. At least how many?
Two.
Least
At
two.
least two or not. Okay, here my name is like A, B, 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 okay, something like this we have. Okay, this is the one. Just I want to do replace, okay, my A with what? Okay, Z. Then the time wherever my A is there, wherever my A is there, it's replaced with Z or not. Yes or no? Okay. Now, okay, here my B is there. Okay. Wherever my B is there, replaced with what? Z. Okay. Replace method, if you observe, okay, it is affected your original value or not original value. It is affected or not affected?
It's affected.
No, no,
No.
no. It is
Not.
not affected or not. It is not affected. It's returns, right? It returned or not. Now if I write something like this, okay, if I write something like this, now what you can understand about this name dot replace B and Z. Okay. Did you find any difference? Did you find any difference? Okay, if I put something like this, did you find any difference? Did you find any difference? Yes, right. So you are telling like replace B with Z. Okay, three values, three B's you can replace. Here you said like replace B with Z. How many B's? One B. That's the reason only one B is replaced with Z. Remaining B still remains or not. If you not mention the third one, it is like replace your B with Z, the entire string or not. Got the point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so if you not mention the third parameter, wherever B is there, replace with what? Z. If you mention something, okay, that count B, okay, how many B's you want me to replace with Z? One B. Here, how many B's you want me to replace with Z? Three B's, right? Like that you can. Okay, okay then. The next one, R find. R find. What is this R find? Already you know about the find, right? Already you know about the find. Okay, how we can find it? Name dot find of B. Okay, then the type, okay, you can get the value like this. Name dot r find of B. Then the type you can get the 9. What is this? Okay, find always looking for the B from left to right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, my R find is always looking for the B from right to left. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 only. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yes, sir.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here, this is the ninth one or not. Right side, it's going to check. Yes or no? If, for example, that particular B is not there, R find also. Okay, B be there. That's okay. Okay, name dot or find of BBB. Okay, now out there it returns me -1. Find looking for the character or group of characters from right to okay, left to right. R find is looking for that particular string from right to left. Okay, the same. This one also you can tell. R index. Come on, name dot index of B. Then the type 4. name dot index of, okay, r index of b, it's like 9, but the difference is if the index is not there, then the time it's okay, there is there, then the time it gives me what, that substring is not found or not. Yes or no, it throws an exception. But the find, it returns me what if it is not there. If it is not there, what it returns?
-1,
Minus
-1.
Yes, -1. Okay, what about R just? L just already we discussed, na? Somewhere L just we discussed, right? Left justify. Okay, R justify. What is this one? R justify. Okay, name equals to such. Okay, name dot L. Okay, just of 10. Okay, now it is, what's this? Object cannot interpreted as an integer. Okay, it is like a number, right? Okay, now see, L just, it takes some value. Okay, total 10 left side. Okay, now the same one. Okay, the content place in the left. Okay, remaining values spaces is going to take side right side. If it is like R just, then the time R just, okay, it is like leave some space and my content is going to place where my justify content is the right side. Justify content is like in the right side. Okay, that is R just. The next one, R partition. Okay, partition is there. What is this partition? Partition. Just now we discussed it, right? Dot partition of yes. Now it is like partitions like 3. Okay, 3 partitions it is going to make. Okay, the first one, okay, is like from where, okay, that means, okay, I want to partition with this particular string. So before this string, that is one partition. The string, the given input is like one partition. After this input is like another partition or not. Now the same one, if you take this, then the type, okay, what happened? Okay, this is, okay, yes, Sachin. Okay, because here, okay, you are not able to differentiate, but here you can differentiate. See, if I do with ease, okay, left to right, first time here itself is there, so that I found is here. So th is one partition, is one partition, remaining all are like one partition. But here, if I write like R, now right to left, if you come right to left, okay, is like Sachin. Okay, this one is right. Okay, if you see this text, right to left, if you come, here is my is. So that before, okay, this one is like one partition and is one partition and this is like one partition or not. Partition, looking for the particular string from left to right. Okay, R partition, right to left. R partition, right to left. Got the point? Yes or no? Okay, the next one is like a split is there. Split. Okay, split. Okay, split the element, right? Okay, so you can take this one only. This is my text. Okay, text dot split. Okay, if I write like this, by default, the delimiter, wherever the space is there, it was split or not. Wherever the space is there, it was a split or not. Yes or no? Now my text equals to something like this underscore is underscore Sachin. Okay, if you write like txt dot split, okay, now see entire thing is like one, okay, value in the list. But if you write like this, okay, if you not mention any delimiter, the default delimiter is the space. Do we have any spaces? No. Now I want to split by using underscore. Wherever underscore is there, just I want to split it. So like this, you can, okay, split that. Got my point? Okay, split. The same way it's like what? R split. Okay, it is looking for that particular string from where to where? Left to right to left. R split. Yes or no? Agreed? If you
Yes.
say this one, R split, what happen? It's like same only. If you come this side to this side also, wherever the underscore is there, it's going to split it. Okay, the next one is like strip, R strip. It removes what? Removes what? Come on, it removes what? It removes the spaces in the right side. Strip, L strip, and R strip is there. Remove the spaces. Okay. So now split lines. What about split lines? Split lines. Hmm. Okay, how we can go to the next line in general? How we can go to the next line? Slash n, right? Yes or no? Okay, for example, if I text equals to this is slash n, this is such. If I write like this, okay, my txt dot split, okay, lines in the type. First line is like this is, the second line is what? Such. Got the point? Okay, if this one is not there, if this one is not there, txt dot split lines, that slash n is not there. That the reason it's like what? Come on, that the reason it's like
It's not splitting.
only one. So my split lines returns me what? Yeah,
A
a
six.
list, a list. Okay, my split also returns me what? My split also returns me what? List only. List only. Okay, the next one is like starts with. Okay, ends with is there, same like this, starts with. So how we can? My name equals to Sachin. Okay, name dot, okay, starts with the, okay, yes, true or false. It's like true. If I write like this, true or false? True or
It's
false?
false.
False. Why? Because? Why? Because
Case
Python
and
is case sensitive. Python is case sensitive or not? Yes or no? Python is case sensitive. Okay. Now, if I write like this is SSCH. SSCH is there or not there? SSCI is there. Okay. SSC there or not there? Yes, there. Okay. The next one is like what? Strip. Strip. Come on, strip. Strip. Already we discussed. Remove the spaces left and
Remove
right.
spaces left and
Remove the spaces left and right. Okay, this one also you can easily tell. Okay, this is my name. Okay, name dot. Okay, swap case. What is this? Name dot swap case. Left. Okay, lowercase to uppercase to lowercase. Yes or no? If it is like in the lower, convert into upper. If it's like an upper, convert into lower. Understood? Okay, text equals to this is such. This is the text dot. Okay, swap case. Now entire string it is going to convert into uppercase or not. Say this. Done. Next title. You know that title. Come on, title. You know that. Each and every character in the word starts with what? Capital letter. See, this T capital, I cap, is I capital, Sachin, yes capital. That is like a title. Translate already we used. Can anyone tell me where exactly we use the translate? Come on, where exactly we used? Come on. We have the mapping, okay. We have the make trans. It gives me a dictionary. Based on the dictionary, just I want to translate our string or not. That's all. Yes or no? Okay. This is my text dot upper. It is written in uppercase or not? Yes or no? Okay, the next one. What is the next one? Z fill. Okay, this is my text. Okay, Z fill. Z fill take exactly one argument. It is integer. See that? If I give like 5, the total length is like how much? The total length is how much? Ln of txt. Okay, 14. Total length is like 14. If I write like this, the exact length is like 14. Now the length is how much? 15. It is going to adjust your length by putting like fill that length with 0. Starts, okay? Starting it's like added like 0. It's like adjust the length to 15 or not. Up to 14 no issues. So because my text is like what? 14 characters only it has. My text has 14 characters only or not. Agreed everyone about the Z fill? Yes or no? Up till okay? So these are the which methods? All the string class methods. All these are all the string class methods. Okay, you may not use all the methods. Okay, frequently used methods few only. Okay, find uppercase, lowercase, and starts with, ends with, that kind of methods. Split, okay, split, strip, okay, this kind of methods. Translate, make, trans, this kind of methods frequently we are going to use. Okay, some of checks is alphabet, alphanumeric, or ask, this kind of methods also frequently we are going to use it. Okay, now any questions? Hmm? Over there. So next topic is like, okay, anonymous functions or lambda functions. Anonymous functions or lambda functions. Okay, see, these all are required to, if you want, if anybody interested to learn the data science, okay, core and advanced Python is required, pandas and NumPy is required. Okay, Django, Flask, and Fast API, these all are used for web application development purpose. We are going to use it. So if you want to become like a data scientist or data analyst, at that time these okay, whatever the concepts we discussed so far, in future, okay, next, okay, 2 weeks what we are going to discuss, those all are like important for the data science. Okay, now anyway we are going to start like a new data science batch also. Okay, Jan, okay, 2025. Okay, that time if you want, if you are interested, just you can join. Okay, so if you want to join that batch, first of all you have to complete all this. Sure. Okay, what is anonymous function? If you take any programming language, just give me one, okay, just one word answer, one line answer. Anyone?
So anonymous function means I don't know, but I know anonymous means the person who doesn't have any name, so it's like anonymous.
Yeah, okay. The same like this, if you apply for the functions, the function which is not having the name, that kind of functions we can say like what? Anonymous functions or not. Okay, if you take like def, fn, okay, just if you write like something like print, something like this. Okay, let me go to our, say, our workspace. Let me go to Python. Okay, let's come here. Okay, now see this. Okay, if you come here, okay, this is one function, right? This function is having the name or not. Okay, this is like a kind of named function or not. Okay. Now, if I write like this, if I write something, the statement like this, can anyone tell me exact output means exact error? Exact error.
Mm,
Takes one
argument.
or
Huh?
takes one parameter, 0 was given.
So positional argument. One
Yeah,
has
yeah,
given.
yeah. Expected one positional argument, but zero. Okay. Okay. It's like required one positional parameter or not. You can say required one positional argument or not. Missing one required positional argument or not. Yes or no. Now, what's my exact output? Error. I mean,
Uh, integer is not a function.
yeah, that is like
Not
JavaScript,
column.
right? Same kind of. Okay, A is not callable. Okay, integer object is not callable. Callable is nothing but function. Function we can call, right? Yes or no? Okay. Now my output should be Sachin. Okay. So what you have to do here? What you have to do here?
Create one more function and
One
pass.
more function, right? Okay. Can I write like this? Okay. Now can I write like Sachin? Now can I pass this F1? Now what is my A? My A is F.
F1.
You are calling A means internally you are calling what? F1 or not? Yes or no? Now the value is like Sachin. Okay, now the fn which take one parameter or argument, that particular argument type is like what? Function or not? Which kind of function you passed? You passed which kind of function? Which kind of function you passed? It's like
Named
named
function.
function. I mean, named function. So fn is expecting a function, but it is not telling like exactly named function or anonymous function or not. It's not exactly tell like named function or anonymous function or not. Yes or no? Okay.
Yeah.
Now, instead of passing like named, just I want to pass like anonymous function. If you want to write or create an anonymous function in Python, how we can create? That is the question. By using one keyword called as a lambda. By using one keyword called as a lambda. After that, okay, if you have any parameters, okay, it's like a function means your anonymous or named whatever it is, somebody can call it. Yes, no. Function either anonymous or named, okay, we are going to call it. The function you written means function there means you can call it. If it is like called, they may pass the parameters also or not. They may pass some values also or not. So okay, if it is like lambda function or if it is like a named function, we have okay some parameters possibility there or not there. Yes or no. After that, what is this? The next one is what? The function body or not. Yes or no. The function body or not. If the parameters are not there, then the type, this is my simple syntax of what? This is my simple syntax of lambda function or not. If I write like this, if I execute this, there is no errors, nothing. There is no errors, nothing. Okay, I didn't call it, just I created what? Just I created what? One simple lambda function, okay, which is not having any name. Okay, this is like without parameters or with parameters?
Without parameters.
Without parameters. I have some parameters also. Possibility there or not there?
That
Possibility there or not there? Yes, with parameters you can write this. In the body, how many statements you can write in general?
Any statement.
Any number, right? Okay, print yes, yes, this is one statement. The next one is like print, okay, okay, two, this is one statement. If I click on it, then the time it gives me a syntax error. That means in Python, the lambda function body should contain only one statement. Got my point?
was that.
Great. Come on, if I write like more than one statement, then what happened?
Sure.
Come on, it gives me an error or not. It's a syntax error. There is no reason for that. There is no reason for that. It's like a syntax error or not. Okay. Now, what I'm asking you is whatever the previous code, if you take it, mm, just refresh. d of a of n. This is my a. Now my a is which kind of function? Okay, which kind? What is the value of a? That means what is the type of my a? It is like a
Hmm.
it's like a function, yes or no? Now I want to call my fn by passing a function as an argument, but that function should be an anonymous function. The output should be such. Then the time how we can pass it? Come on, lambda. After that, come on, lambda. After that, print searching. That's it, right? What do you think more? Now the output is like what? Searching. Now this lambda function is what? A is what? A is what? A is,
Function.
come on, A is function. Okay, A is function. A is expecting a function. You passed that function or not? Which kind of function? Named or anonymous you passed?
Anonymous
Anonymous.
function.
Anonymous function you passed or not? So A is anonymous function. You A called by passing how many parameters?
No argument.
No arguments. That the reason no arguments. For example, if I pass like Dhoni like this, then the time,
We
then the, then the time. What exactly the error? Come on. Take how many positional parameters?
one.
Okay. Given how many? Okay. Zero. Taken zero. Okay. But given one or not. Taken zero, but given like one. Okay. Taken zero positional arguments, but one was given or not. Yes or no? The only one.
Yes.
Okay. So can I take that one? Okay. Can I print that name? Okay. Otherwise, you can use like Sachin and name. Now the output is Sachin and Dhoni or not. Yes or no? This is the way you can create a anonymous function in Python. Understood? Okay, the syntax is what? Lambda, if no parameters, okay, you can write your function body. How many statements you can write syntactically? Only one. If the lambda function has some parameters, then the time just you can put like the parameters list with comma separated. After that, you can write your function body. That's it. Right. Remaining all same. Remaining all of same. Any questions, anyone? Anyone have any questions? No? Okay. We'll continue my things in tomorrow's session. Thank you guys. Thanks for joining. Bye.